welcome to another episode of Lookfantastic Unboxing. March box is my 7th Lookfantastic box, and among all the 7 boxes, I've never been disappointed. The value of the boxes that I've opened is around $90 to $120. And when you buy this one, guys, when you subscribe to Lookfantastic, it costs 15 pounds. In Australian dollars, it's $20, and I pay $7 for shipping fee, which means this is $27 in total. I just love all the boxes. They make really good boxes. I had to keep them. And there are 6 items in each box, and all are premium. So let's open it. This is the Lookfantastic magazine, and you will just see here some tips and like new trends and makeup industry and that. So it's a good read also. And another thing that is in the box is every month I receive an Elle magazine. Who's this? Michelle Williams. So it's really amazing. I have so many Elle magazines now because of Lookfantastic. And it says here the cover, each cover also has like a quote. It says, "Get ready to steal the spotlight." Spotlight, honey. Okay, it's really like a violet themed, purple themed box. So let me open this. Oh wow, so many goodies. I have here the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5. I have never ever used The Ordinary skincare products, so this is the first time obviously, and I'm expecting so much because I've heard so much about The Ordinary. So I do hope this would work in me. And the thing about The Ordinary, it really speaks for its brand. I also noticed in The Ordinary products, it really just has simple packaging. This one is in glass, and this is 30 ml. I think this is like a serum. It's just transparent. Ooh. That is, this serum is a little bit slimy. I can't smell anything. There's no fragrance in this. Of course, hyaluronic acid is really the main thing. If you are looking for something to moisturize your face, then look for this ingredient in your skincare products. If it has hyaluronic acid, then that would be good for your skin. I have here Morphe High Impact Highlighter. This is in shade Spark. This is 3 grams. I'm not sure if this is a full size or like a travel size, but actually at the end of this video I'm gonna put the prices, because sadly the magazine or this booklet actually does not put the prices, so I still have to search for the prices. I really like it. It's like a champagne color. Let me try this highlighter. So I'm using the brush from Bella Box. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at that. This highlighter really would elevate your look. It's like my face is highlighted, but this portion right here, because I put this one, is actually more beaming. It's really bright. I like this one, and it's also my first time to have a Morphe product. This is so amazing. I have here EOS Evolution of Smooth Lip Balm. This is Strawberry Sorbet. This was really on trend like 2 years ago. Do you remember that? I've never have a chance to really have this one. EOS is a brand that really started this round balms. So I'm not sure, guys, but comment it down below if you know where this trend started. Wow. So this is in strawberry sorbet, but you know what? I was expecting it to be pink, but it really smells like strawberry. Yay, this is so good. I really love lip balms, but I use my Lucas Popo. Oh, here it is. I use my Lucas Popo as lip balm, but it wouldn't hurt to have this one in my collection. Next one, we have the Ritual of Sakura Soothing Hand Balm. This is in fragrance or cherry blossom and rice milk. It's just like a lotion. It's thick. Ooh, I love that. Cherry and rice milk. Pretty thick, guys. It's really thick, but I really can feel that it's really moisturizing on the hand. I have here cleansing foam from Amoro Vixa. So the past Lookfantastic, the previous Lookfantastic box, I've also had a product from Amoro Vixa and I really liked it. It was a mud mask, and this one is a cleansing foam. You know what? I really like this packaging. Though I would like this for like foundation probably because it's like a squeezy tube. But for cleanser, it's too thin. I mean, I like the shape, but it's like too thin to stand. I don't know. Let me just like smell it. Ugh. That really has a really like herbal smell. This is in 30 ml too. Well, I'm not sure if it's a sample or what, but if it's a sample size, then it's just enough really more than enough to try out. So that's good. That's what I like about subscription boxes, because sometimes even if they don't give the full size, then you get the sample size, then you can still get to try to experience the product first before buying the full size. Now the last item that I have in the box, it's really posh how they really prepare the box. It's really good. I really love Lookfantastic. I have here Madara Organic Skincare Smart Anti-Pollution Charcoal and Mud Repair Mask. Targets signs and aging, and it detoxifies. Yeah, it detoxifies because of the charcoal. This is 12.5 ml. Why do they say it's smart? I actually have another mask from Madara. I got this sample from Bella Box. And you know what? I think I'm gonna make a review for these two, like half and half of both of the samples from Madara. This is brightening AHA peel mask, and this is a mud mask. So I will make a separate video for this, and I'll see which one is better. For the products that I received for this month's box, I really like it so much. I think my favorite is this one, this. I think I got 4 that I like so far. So that's really good. What do you think of this month's box? Did you like anything from the products? If you had the chance, do you think you'd want the Lookfantastic box? Comment it down below. That completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next week. Bye!